Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Here's something to think about. Let's say you had access to a $1 million account and you were able to achieve a 5% gain on average every month. Both of these things are doable. Okay, we have so many opportunities in this space at the moment with a variety of different prop firms offering a whole range of different opportunities for traders. So think about this. If you had access to $1 million account, and let's say you achieved a 5% gain consistently, well, that's $50,000. And depending on the prop firm and the terms, now you might be on a 50% split, 70, 80% profit split. But let's say you're on a 50% profit split. That's 25K. So you are earning 50% of that. Let's say you achieve 5% in the month. So you've just made $25,000. So then you set up a second account, slowly grow it, 3, 4 accounts, okay, 4 different accounts, 4 different prop firms. And I mentioned some of them offer a much higher profit split. But let's just keep it at a 50% profit split. Okay, so 4 times that is 100K. This is achievable. This is absolutely achievable. That's what I'm currently working on at the moment for my own income stream, is spreading it across a few different prop firms, having multiple accounts. And the secret, well, it's not going to be a secret after this. The key to success and the key to growing is, guys, slow and steady. Slow and steady absolutely wins the race. Absolutely wins the race. All right, so what I'm doing with this video and my Discord group here is I'm sharing my journey with my members. You're welcome to join. Well, the link is below, my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Join us on this journey. The London session, that's when I kick off and I post my live trades. These are trades I'm taking on one of my prop firm accounts. There it is. Entry, stop loss levels, TP, okay. Entry, stop loss, T1, T2. So I'm posting my trades in real time for my members. So we'll average about 4 a day. Okay, sometimes there'll be 5 trades. Other days there might be 3, but yeah, generally we'll have 4 trades. Well, here we are, look, down here. This is this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. As I'm taking my trades, I'm posting these in here. So what I want to do with the rest of the video is just run through yesterday's trades. I've got everything marked here. This is the whole week. These currency pairs you can see that I've highlighted. I don't need to run through those, but I can guarantee you every one of those is a winning trade. But what we'll do is we'll have a look at how to grow a Forex account. Seriously, guys, this video could be a complete game changer for you if you really take in what I'm about to share with you. You have to have a strategy. Trade signals is one thing and a strategy. So in here, breakout strategy, especially the last 3 videos, this will give you a trading plan, a winning strategy that you can back test and take whatever's useful to you and make it your own. So the tutorials are in here. An understanding of how the market moves. Okay, in this channel, Smart Money, we have videos, screenshots. We're looking at this Smart Money footprint here, how to recognize it. This is how the banks manipulate the markets. All the info's in here. So we have an edge in the market. Basically, what I'm saying is you have to have a trading plan. You have to have an edge. That's available for you in here. Trade signals, we've got that. Trading view indicators give us signals, but you've also got access to my live trades in real time. Take advantage of it. Okay, so trade signals are here. All the education required for a successful trading plan, it's all here. So let's just come back over here now. Let's just go through yesterday's signals. So this one was the US 100. Here's how to be consistently taking money out of the markets with our trade signals. What we do is we're looking for an entry anywhere leading into and after the London Open. Okay, that's the London Open here. My time, 1700. We have these session times. This is the Asia close and this is the New York Open. So you want to mark these up on your chart ahead of time. As we trade into these, we look for the opportunity. I'm going to cover a few things in the video, so make sure you stick around, guys. Give me a thumbs up, by the way. My YouTube channel needs a bit of love, okay? And subscribe to YouTube if you haven't. So what we'll do now is we'll get into the secrets to success, and I guess they won't be secrets after the video. Honestly, if you're wanting to grow your account, you absolutely have to nail risk management. You have to have a trading plan to start with. Well, the first thing is a signal that brings you into the chart to look at the opportunity. So we've got that. A trading plan, we have strategy. Okay, that's in the bag. And then the next thing is how you manage your risk. Now, I'm not going to go into it here so much, but I want you to, if you haven't already, go into our Discord thing here. Okay, it's free to join, by the way. You can click the link below and join, have access. But down under tutorials, we've got risk management. Click that. In fact, there's a calculator you can download here as well. You're welcome to that. It's just a simple calculator. 2 videos in here. Please watch these videos. Risk management. This aspect of trading will determine whether you're successful or not. Okay, so it's all explained in my 2 videos here, so really recommend you watch those. So coming back, the trade signals that I'm posting, let's just have a quick look at those up here. Have a look at this one, US 100, okay. So you're going to get, you'll see here, a fixed entry, stop loss and targets, right? Entry, there's a stop loss level and T1 and 2. You've got to have a framework to start with, so that's it. So we enter and this stop loss stays where it is. We never move it away. If it gets taken out, it's just a business expense and we move on. Right? So leave that alone and let this play out. That's the first thing. And as far as the risk is concerned, watch my videos on risk management and that'll explain everything. So let's now go into TradingView here. I use TradingView for, we need signals, and I manage the trade based on what I'm seeing in TradingView, and I've got MT4 and MT5 open, and then I can go in there and open and close trades. But this is what I'm following. It's TradingView. Okay, we've got a signal. We enter the trade. There's the entry. We've got our stop loss. Leave it alone and let this play out. So what we're looking for is, given that we entered here after this Asia close here, we're waiting for an opportunity into the New York session open. Okay, trades down, up, and then we get this low over here. See these dots? That's an extreme level based on the data that our indicators are giving us. The indicators are based on variations of the average true range. Okay, so we really need to pay attention to these levels, these red dots and what have you. All right, so we're heading down into these green dots. It's a no-brainer. We are moments away from the New York Open. We've headed down. Just take your money. Call it T1. So it's a dynamic stop loss and target, but has to be managed well. You don't want to get emotionally involved and make silly mistakes. Wait for the opportunity. All right, so then I'm going to call that T1. If T1 was here initially, you could have taken profits here, and that's nothing wrong with that. Just depends how you read the chart, but I'm looking for the opportunity generally around these session times. Take it here, that's fine, or take it here and that's fine. And I'm closing, with my trades, I'm closing 65% of my position, right? So I'm going to open 2 trades, 1, 2. One of them will be 65%. And the other one's 35%. So you can go 70-30 if you want, okay? 65% is going to be 1-to-1, and then this 35%, I'm going to let it run. So I'll close 65% here, and I'll leave the rest in to run. Pull the stop loss down, and then just enjoy the ride after that. Pull your stop loss down, follow it, I don't mind this 5-minute chart. We've got this cloud. You can follow the price level, you know, with these dots that you see here. That can be your stop loss trailing stop, and then it gets taken out here. Profitable trade. Okay, so we'll just go through these. Yesterday's trades. Okay, pound CAD was the next one up here. London Open, it traded up into the Asia close. I was looking for that. Okay, sometimes it doesn't trade where you wanted to trade. This was our actual stop loss, so we just let it play out. My thinking with this was red dot alert, which really gave us that. And into the Asia close, I was thinking we'd see it rotate. And it didn't happen, and that's fine. Okay, if it goes against, we just sit with it and just let it play out. But what we do have here is we're looking for a short. Another red dot, and we've got the divergence signal, this red line that you see here. It rolls over up here, and then New York Open. Here's our opportunity right here. Dynamic target. Okay, so we make our target 1 be right here as we're trading into the New York, and I really want to grab it before, if it's running in our favor, before we hit the New York Open, because in a lot of cases, you know, it starts to rotate and we don't know if it's going to do that. So we take our money and run. As we trade into the New York Open, we make that our T1, and we've bagged 65% or 70%, whatever you're doing, of the position. And of course, then after that, you pull your stop loss down and you can trail it. All right, so we're in the money here. We've got the dots on the 5-minute. Okay, so you can, however you read it, okay, you may have been taken out here, but that's in the money. Right? If you give your stop loss a bit more room to breathe, some of my members prefer to set the stop loss around midway, this cloud. So just look at the midline of the cloud, and that can be your stop loss level midway through. Okay, so you just measure between these dots, and then your trailing stop on the 5-minute chart. Quite a nice outcome if you did that. If your stop loss is midway through the cloud here, midway, you're still in it. Euro CAD was a trade we did yesterday. We'll take that one, have a look at it. And remember, the key to this is don't go overboard with your position size. Keep it consistent. Watch those videos on risk management. Now, this was a buy opportunity. All right, so we had a rotation, London Open, and we're looking at, as it's trading down into the Asia close, I'm looking for the rotation. So that was our entry here. Trades up as we approach the New York Open. Look what we get here. We get that. And look at these red dots. This is warning bells ringing. Start thinking about taking partial profits. And if you hadn't, here, well, we get the red dot and it sticks. Take your money. Target 1. And that is quite a nice run. Pull your stop loss up, however you want to do it, and let it get taken out down here, and you're well and truly in the money with this trade. Yesterday, the Aussie CAD was the other one. Okay, we had a rotation at London. We had this bit of a pullback down in. I decided to go long here, having a look at the higher time frames and what have you. I thought that this was an opportunity to buy. Here's what's telling you to take partial profit. Strong divergence, red dot. As we approach the New York Open, that becomes T1 right here. Take your money. Pull your stop loss up, whatever you want to do. So we're going to go 5-minute chart, midway through the channel, if you like. And then we just follow it up. Stop loss here. Okay, and another very nice outcome. So this is where you would have closed your remaining 30 or 35%. Well and truly in the money. Okay, so that's yesterday's trades. Here's an invite, guys, to join us on this journey. Okay, we're achieving some pretty good results, I have to say. Join VIP. You can click up here and go to my website, tradingwithanthony.com. Do the maths. Grab it while it's here. And let's enjoy the journey together. Okay, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.